Dan and Adi welcome you to High Auto, a small and friendly business based near Derby in the Midlands. We pride ourselves on our high preparation standards, unbeatable value for money and fantastic customer service. Every vehicle we sell is HPI clear, receives a full and thorough independent inspection, has recently been serviced and MOT'd, and is also professionally valeted to an exceptional standard. We make buying your next car straightforward and stress-free. We can deliver your car with a 14-day money-back guarantee. We also offer click and collect services with contactless handovers, so buying your next car is easy and safe. Every car comes with at least 6 months national warranty and breakdown cover provided by Warrantywise for free. And unlike many other car sellers, we put the highest level of cover on your car that is possible, giving you great peace of mind. We are also partnered with Close Brothers Motor Finance and Evolution Funding, so we make financing your car quick and simple and offer very competitive interest rates. We also welcome Zuto and Car Finance 24/7 customers. Have you got a part exchange? Well, we offer the best possible price for your current car. Contact us today for evaluation. At High Auto, we are confident we can provide you with a car that you'll love at a price you'll be delighted with. Visit our website today or call us on 01332 585151.
Hi, I'm Dan from High Auto. We're going to take this fantastic Audi A6 all-road Avant. This is the Quattro version. Really lovely car. We're going to take it for a little drive. So start the engine by pressing the brake and the engine start-stop button. Car fires up very nicely. Slip it down into drive and away we go. So we do these test drive videos at High Auto to give you a feel for how the car drives, as well as to demonstrate that everything works as it should, to hopefully help you make a decision from the comfort of your own home. So the car pulled away very nicely there. Gearbox feels really good, really smooth. The suspension is riding the bumps on this country road with ease. Brakes feel really good. Steering feels nice, so the car is driving spot on as it should. As you can imagine, with it being an Audi, with it being a large luxurious car, it's a beautiful car to drive. Really comfortable, really spacious, loads of specifications. So we've got a large colour, really decent Sat Nav system on display at the moment. On the Audi multimedia system, we've also got Bluetooth, both for your mobile phone hands-free and for audio streaming. There's DAB radio on there as well as FM, AM and CD player, and different ways to connect to your device, other devices if you want. Got dual zone climate control down here, full leather seats, comfort seats. All your stereo controls are down here as well. Got really nice leather multifunction steering wheel with the flappy paddles. The car looks really nice on its alloy wheels, which are an upgrade, I believe. You've also got front and rear parking sensors, automatic headlights, automatic windscreen wipers, loads of power from the 3-litre diesel V6 engine. Almost back at High Auto now. Here we are. Excuse the trees that have come down in the high winds recently. So yeah, thank you for watching. I hope that's been useful for you. Hope to see you soon. Take care and bye for now.